So here I am sitting inside my car. The lighting conditions are not that great, but I hope when I put on the final video on my channel, it will be better. Before starting the video, I just want to say that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to Autobots channel Kolkata. If you like the video, hit the like button and do share this video with your fellow Virtus owners because this helps them a lot. So today's video is going to be the experience of my tire change that I've recently done. So I had my Virtus for the last 4 years and it has clocked more than 67,600 kilometers. Yes, that's a lot of kilometers. And after that, the time has come to change my tires. So I just went to the tire shop yesterday to change my tires. And in this video, I'm going to share you in detail what was the experience of my tire change and how much it costed me to change all the 4 tires. And yes, I have changed all the 4 tires, not 1 or 2 tires. But before that, I just want to show you how my car looks with the new tires. So here you go. So if you can see, this is the Seat Secure Drive 205/55 R16 alloy wheels. So this is the same tires that I got in my stock conditions. In fact, this is the front 2 tires. This is also same, as you can see, Seat Secure Drive tires. Show you the back ones also, and you can understand by the pattern, the new tread, it's so much visible in the new tire. So here it is, Seat Secure Drive, and I replaced all my 4 tires because it got very bad. Here it is, because of rains and all, it got a little bit. As you can see, all the new tread, it's looking great. I just got it installed yesterday. So that was all the new tires, and I'm sure you have noticed the new treads which are very thick, and that's just the beauty of new tire, the new treads, the new look and the new feel. I am currently recording this video sitting in the basement of my housing society where I'm currently staying. I'm currently sitting inside my car because there is some outside noise. So I had the vehicle for 4 years, and in 4 years I have clocked more than 67,600 kilometers, and majority of the kilometers, almost 35 to 36,000 kilometers, I have done when I was staying in Kolkata. So I am basically from Kolkata, but I have moved to Pune in the last 2 years and I have been staying here. And the road conditions, even though it's not that good in Kolkata, in West Bengal, in the eastern part of the country, it is still better than the one that I'm currently staying. And if you are someone from Pune or Maharashtra, you know how bad the road conditions is. In fact, the highways, the city roads, especially now the monsoon is there, it's very bad. And where I work, in the Chakan area, the roads are just obliterated and very bad road conditions. So that is the kind of roads I drive my vehicle day in and day out. For the last few 100 kilometers, my car has started to wobble unusually. First I thought there might be issue with the tire alignment and the wheel alignment. So I went to a tire shop, I did an alignment that costed me, along with the balancing of the weights, 600 rupees. But the issue was still there. I checked my friends, my wife, that just see if when I'm driving, if any of the tires are unusually wobbling. They said that no, there is no such issue. Then I thought there must be a suspension issue or maybe a tire issue, because when the last time I went to the service center, when I did my 61,000 kilometer service, the service engineer said that your tires are worn out, but it is not necessary immediately to change the tire, but you might have to change it before the 75,000 kilometer service. I said okay, and that was in December last year, almost 7 months back. So I didn't thought that the tire condition would be that bad. So I called the Volkswagen service center here, which is a Bu Bhandari Volkswagen. I took an appointment. I said the issue on the service desk. So they assigned a service engineer to check the condition. So he came, we drove inside the showroom. He said, sir, the condition of your tires are very bad and we are not going to check the car unless you change your tires. I said, you at least have a look at the suspension if there is any issue with that. He said, no, we cannot do that because I think that tire change is very much required. So I said, okay, let's go and change the tires. So after about 2 weeks, because immediately it was not possible for me to change the tires, I did some research. I asked my friends. In fact, one of my friend here has a Skoda Slavia. It's the same vehicle, same set of tires. He changed his tires about a year and a half back, when he just crossed around 30,000 kilometers. And I asked him ki from where you have changed your tires and what tires you have installed. So he said ki I have installed the Yokohama tires, and it was giving him good performance. It costed them around 38,000 for changing all the 4 tires, because he also changed all the 4 tires, including wheel balancing, alignment, installation of new valves, everything. So when I got the Virtus, I got it with C8 Secure Drive tires. So these are stock tires, and I had these tires. I have not changed it. In fact, I have not even rotated the tires. So it is advised that after 10,000 kilometers you do a wheel alignment, wheel balancing, you rotate the tires. I did not do that. In between this time, 2 or 3 times I have done the wheel alignment, but I have never rotated my tires. I did some research. I didn't want to spend that much, because that is a quite huge amount of money. And I was very happy with the stock tires that I have got, because they have given me very good service. In fact, I have driven almost all over India with the stock tires in all kind of road conditions, and not a single amount, and never I feel that those tires were not good. They were quite grippy. They were quite good in cornering. Obviously, I don't do very hard cornering, and I don't do rash driving. I'm an excellent driver, I might say. And in fact, my friends also say the same thing. And I also get a very good mileage with those tires, and they lasted really long. So I wanted to install the same stock of tires, because I was a happy customer for them. So I did some research. I got different quotes. Some shops said that they didn't had those tires. Some shops say that C8 does not produce that set of tires, which is very stupid, because if you don't have the tires, that is a different thing. But it is saying that C8 does not produce those tires is very stupid. And I got a quotation of 7,800, 6,800, 7,300 from different tire shops. So I decided one shop, and yesterday I went there. It was a shop very near where I am currently staying in Pune. Each tire costed me 6,650 rupees. The alignment and the balancing was free, but yes, for the weights, for the balancing, that I have to pay. So that was around 260. They said that the tire valves are worn out, so I have to install the new tire valves. So I installed 4 new tire valves. So each tire valve costed me around 200 rupees. With everything put together, the final costing which was given to me was 27,600, and I got it installed. It took around half an hour to 1 hour, with firstly removal of my old tires, then fixing of the new tires, and then doing the wheel alignment and the balancing. And the work was quite good. And they took my old tires, which anyway it is going for scrap, because they are very worn out. In fact, this is the condition of my worn out tires. As you can see, they are quite worn. And this is some scenes from the tire shop from where I was there yesterday, changing the tire, and it was also raining quite heavily. And I decided to change my tire, because now it is a monsoon season. Anyway, my tires are worn out. Prolonged use of these tires might cause some damages to the alignment, may cause some damages to the the steering alignment. If that happened, that would have costed me a lot. So I decided to change it finally. And immediately when I took back my car after changing of the tires, I found the same plush ride quality which was there earlier, but unfortunately I was not able to experience it since last 1 month, because as I said, my tires started wobbling frantically. And in fact, on plain roads, because on bad roads you are not able to experience that wobble, but on the plain roads it used to wobble a lot. In fact, I travel on to 2 times between Pune and Mumbai. There the roads are very good. Last time I started from my home, but within few kilometers I returned back. I parked my vehicle in the garage and I took a cab and went to Mumbai. That it was so bad. So that was the thing. That was the main thing which prompted me to change my tires at the earliest point. And immediately after change, the tires are very good. In fact, now I have been using the new tires for the last 10-15 kilometers. I'll be driving very carefully till the next 1000 kilometers, and maybe after that I'll do a short video and tell you what my experience is with the new set of tires. Since the stock tires gave me such a good service, I decided to retain and go with the same set of tires. Many have said you go for Yokohama, you go for Bridgestone. In fact, the tire shop had pushed me for Continental, Bridgestone, you know, all other brands, but I said no, I wanted the C8 tires because the other tires that were at least 7,000 to 8,000 costlier, and my budget was not that much, so I stuck with the stock tires and I am quite happy about it. So hopefully I'll be able to run another 50 or 60,000 kilometers with these tires. I am hoping for at least 50,000 kilometer run because the roads here are quite bad. I am not having a lot of faith that if it can go beyond 60,000 kilometers. If it is possible to go beyond 60,000, it will be excellent and I'll be extremely happy. But at least 50,000 kilometers, I am hoping that tires will definitely last. And that's about it, guys. I thought I make a quick video about the tire change because I'm sure that like me, many of the Virtus owners or the Slavia owners have changed their tires or are looking to change the tire. So if you are looking to change your tires, this video will be very helpful. And I have tried to list all the things that was there while I was changing it, the issues I was facing it before the tire change, and the experience of the tire. If you have any questions regarding the tires or anything about the Virtus, so I am an owner and it has been my go-to vehicle every day, and I know almost each and every nook and corner about the vehicle. So if you have any questions regarding the Virtus, tires or anything else, please feel free to drop in the comment section. And if you like the video, well, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video with your fellow riders and your social community. See you soon in my next video. Till that time, drive safe, and since it is monsoon, drive even safer. Always wear your seat belts and take care.